automated asset managers that optimize yield from ERC 4626 standard vaults, automate investment diversification, and automate reinvestment strategies for you. So if you invest into different liquidity pools using, for instance, Beefy, or invest directly into pools, and these pools implement ERC 4626, you can automate investment using this smart contract. For instance, if you invest into currently on Beefy on base chain, you invest into this pool, APY can be changed over time, and it makes sense to revisit it each month. For instance, if it's not so top performing, you probably should consider to moving to another pool. It doesn't make sense to do that each time, and because it takes time to investigate and research. Also requires ledger to bring ledger with you all the time. I don't think it's safe to keep a ledger with you, and therefore I implemented this asset manager that run investment strategy. It doesn't invest into all the pools. You can add trusted pools and just move investments and assets from one pool to another. In this way, you don't need to do it manually each time. There is applications that deploy it and a live smart contract on a testnet base. You see how much will already have total. Also, I deployed a test stablecoin TUSD. It's a simple ERC20 contract, and add more like a deposit. This time, this pool has to yield some. You will get more assets, but shares will not grow. And imagine it's like a treasury or bond. So you just at the end you redeem these shares, and you get assets back. So that's if it's a performing pool. You can run functions that are investment strategy function, and it's just choose a top performing pool over the time. But in this time it doesn't make sense because there is 3 top performing pools, and this function is supposed to be called by cron jobs. I hope that GPT-4 will create for me by design, but I needed to create by myself, and probably it's something from latest releases. It's nice to know about ERC 4626 standard for vaults that almost all the vaults and liquidity pools start to implement the standard and interface that simplifies other smart contract development. So my smart contract can work with any other liquidity pools, and I don't need to adapt to it. That's it. Thank you.